Hello, we're happy to meet Veena ji from a group, and there are some inspiration story behind her. Okay, and what are those steps she's taking basically? Let us hear from her. Hello, Veena ji. Well, we know you are not using onion, garlic, eggs, but I could see lot of eggshells and onion, garlic peels, and then even the coffee you don't use that coffee, even filter coffee, that also been you given to me. Thank you so much, it was very nice in fact. Okay, so what made you to bring those stuff, and how making a difference in your garden?
Abdulji, first of all, a big, a million thanks to you and the group, particularly you, because you have been the inspiration for us. Because initially, when we started gardening, we tried different ways. We spent thousands of rupees here, but somehow, somewhere, something went wrong, and we just gave it up after a little hard work. And then but you were not ready to let us go, so you were continuously posting inspiring videos and messages and the pictures of all the tree success stories and all those things. Then somewhere we thought, why not we this lockdown, we thought, why not we also try something. And every time you keep saying, particularly your office success stories, where you keep saying this is simply just the desert sand, and I throw the onion peels, garlic peels, and the used tea bags and all. So I kept reading those messages, hearing from you time and again. Then I thought, okay, there is some value, there is something powerful in it. But what to do, we don't consume onion, garlic, we don't eat eggs, and no tea, coffee also here. Whatever you are saying, we are not using that. But and I also thought, like, any which ways, if I'm not going to use these, I have to spend money in compost or something like that, and which is going to be very expensive. But why not try the organic way?
In a natural way.
So I thought, instead of spending money that way, buying fertilizers and other things, I will spend the money. If I have to, then I will get some eggs, and I will use it for the gardening. Then whenever my husband goes to the supermarket, I tell him, please bring me this onion peels, garlic peel, and he is very supportive that way.
It's amazing because I have seen him, the man to bring from, when you're going, by the way, he's a very busy professional. Actually, he's working in a highly, this is job, but still whenever he goes for, particularly picks those stuff and bring for you. Is hats off to him. That's a big support you're having.
The cleaner there, everyone keeps looking at us. What is this? Instead of picking the onions and garlic, he's picking the peels, collecting the peels. What is he doing? They look at us very curiously. But despite all that, he brings me the peels, the onion peels, garlic peels, and all.
Because you are not consuming it, so you are forced to do it. Okay.
Yeah. And the thing is that I also the coffee. We don't use coffee, so I asked him to buy the coffee powder,
Filter coffee.
Filter coffee powder, and then the tea also. Then we try to use it in the composting. And one more best part of this is, like, when he goes to supermarket to buy vegetables, fruits for us, I ask him to look for one or two. If we are buying maybe quarter kg or half kg, I ask him to look for one or two very ripe ones, so that we can use that seed for sowing it.
Wow, that's really amazing, wonderful stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if it is like a ginger, turmeric, like that, so we can grow it,
The pulp, yeah.
From the pulp. So that bulb. So I ask him to look for those ones which have slightly sprouted. He does all that for me. He looks for those things, and little bit not all, because we will be consuming, and some part of it we wanted for gardening. So he gets that also for me. That way, it's with all his support and his grace.
God's grace. Thank you.
It's
So,
very happy news for me to share with you all.
thank you so much. And in fact, I must say something. those are the stuffs which is we can go a bit here. See, these are pure desert sand. You can see that again. What he is doing now, basically, this dumping of vegetable waste, fruit waste, and I told her, mainly, that the rice wash water mixing with, even onion, garlic paste can do wonders for even any plants in the hot summer resisting. So she does that, and now she's preparing those area, and you can see the good growth, the greeny stuff in the garden, and particularly. Look at those. Yeah, powerful moringa. And this is a bamboo tree. Yeah, this is bamboo tree. And this is again, this is jasmine and wow, natural fencing. This is called natural fencing. Superb.
This is Krishna Kamar.
Okay. This the birds are beautiful. Wow. So we are filled with the fragrance. And see, in this, they prepared a raised bed. Okay, look at there. You can see that of perlite. Yeah, the desert sand. You can see desert sand. Then all the compost. So now what we have suggested here to give the aeration little bit of in between. So you can see the difference. This is, see, look at the thing. Nice setup. So they want to grow. And again, this is naturally fencing. All 365 days, no issues. And this is again brought from India. This again, one more stuff is preparing. This is a pomegranate and the neem trees. This is a mini garden. By the way, this name of the place called Jumeirah Village? Triangle, okay. This is her home, back. And that's really cool stuff. And this is the area now is preparing the compost. These are the areas basically dumping the vegetable, and that's once it gets ready, so using it for the garden. And by the way, this is a local neem tree. And what yours? Okay, I will show you other one, which is and these are some. This is the thing earlier she spent basically the potting soil, everything which she kept. Mint trees, sorry, mint. So, and this is the Indian name. Okay, here as well. So this is tulsi, again aloe vera.